Marriage is often described as a partnership built on trust, affection, and companionship. But what happens when a third person deliberately interferes in that relationship? Can the law step in? In a recent case, Shelly Mahajan versus BHANUSHREE Bahl and another, the Delhi High Court addressed this very question. The court held that a civil suit claiming damages for alienation of affection, meaning wrongful interference in a marriage, is legally maintainable before a civil court. Here is the background of this case. A married woman alleged that her husband's lover intentionally disrupted her marital relationship. She claimed damages, arguing that her right to marital consortium and companionship had been violated. The husband and the alleged lover objected, saying this was a family matter that should only be heard by a family court under Section 7 of the Family Courts Act. But the High Court disagreed on this, and it clarified that this was not about deciding matrimonial rights like divorce or maintenance. Instead, it was a civil action for wrongful interference which the civil courts can hear. Now, the court explained that to succeed, the plaintiff must show three things. First, wrongful and intentional conduct by the third party. Second, a clear causal link between the conduct and the breakdown of the marriage. Third, that the damages being claimed can be rationally assessed. Also, the judgment pointed out that while the Supreme Court in Joseph Shine versus Union of India decriminalized adultery, it does not give anyone a free license to interfere with marriages. Adultery may no longer be a crime, but it can still attract civil consequences like damages, just as in this case. In summary, the High Court issued summons to both the husband and his alleged lover, reinforcing that a marriage is not just a private arrangement but also a legally protected relationship. And when a third party intentionally disrupts it, the injured spouse can seek civil remedies. So that's all in this case. Thank you.